Hi, this is Mehboob Shabazz from Taste and Claim. Ramadan Kareem and Eid Mubarak in advance. It was a pleasure to see all our 10 participants cooking for us once again and making us yummy delicious iftar platter. I know during Ramadan it gets very difficult for people to take out time, especially for ladies to take out time, but we are really humbled and very happy to see all our 10 participants perform so well. But since it's a competition and we can choose only one winner, however, we do have one winner and like always a first runners up and a second runners up. But this time we have a tie at the second runners up position. Our judge Kamar Kashif from Kebabilicious had to really rethink, revisit the two participants' platter and score them again. But then she finally decided that those two participants really deserve to be at the second runners-up position. Without wasting any time, let's go to Kamar Kashif, our judge, Miss Kamar Kashif from Kebabilicious, who is anxiously waiting to announce the winners. Once again, thank you all. A big thank you to all of you for participating in our Iftar Platter competition, and Eid Mubarak in advance. Take care.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप आप सबका रमज़ान बहुत अच्छा गुजर रहा होगा. So the day has come that all of you must be looking forward to, and trust me, as a judge, it was the most difficult task for me to choose the top 3 winners out of the 10 amazing iftar platters we had. So before I announce the results, I want to congratulate all the 10 participants, the 10 multi-talented ladies who not only participated but did a splendid job out there. Now let's start with the results. I will first announce the second runners-up. We have a tie at second runners-up, and it's a tie between Atika and Sana. Congratulations Atika and Sana for being the third position holders in our iftar platter competition. बहुत मुबारक हो दोनों को. Sana, I loved the way you turned a common item like cheese toast into something so unique and different that I tried it. I tried your recipe in my own home iftari and it was a hit. It is a commonly made item in every household, but the way you made it was so different and so delicious. Overall, your presentation of your platter, the way you recorded the recipe step by step, and the way you followed the rules, everything was commendable. Atika, I loved that you did not jump on the bandwagon of making a strawberry drink. There's nothing wrong in making a strawberry drink, but strawberry is so, it is available in market in abundance these days. My own deep freezer is half full of strawberries right now. That's going to last me for a year, I guess. And we are making a strawberry drink every day in our homes. So it was a treat to the eyes to look at a different drink which Atika made, an Arabic champagne that not only tastes amazing but it adds so much beauty to any layout. So hats off to you Atika. Overall, everything you made was really good. The presentation, the steps, the rules, the video recording, everything was superb. Congratulations once again Atika and Sana for winning the third position in the iftar platter competition. Now the first runners up. The winner for first runners up is Faiza Farooq. Faiza, बहुत mubarak ho. Again, I'll say that I was amazed by your Chiku milkshake. I love Chiku and I love milk, but I never thought of combining both. I'm sure it tastes amazing, but what really took my attention was that it was a different drink. You thought of something different. Again, your cutlets, I was drooling by just looking at those cutlets. You tweaked a simple cutlets recipe into something so different. Otherwise, cutlets is a common item that is made in every household. But the way you made it added so much uniqueness and difference to it that actually made you win the second position of this competition. along with the way you recorded step-by-step recipe, the way you presented your platter. It was very classy. Congratulations. So now the time has come to announce the grand winner, the first position holder of Iftar Platter Competition by Taste Enclave. And that is Rafia. Rafia, I'm short of words to, comment about your platter. All I can say that it was one of the most royal looking platters I could think of. And by adding keema paratha to it, you actually stood apart from others, actually, because usually our platters have fried stuff or different types of charts and all that. I've never thought of adding a keema paratha to my iftari. I would add it to a dinner or to breakfast. But when I saw that platter, although your platter had a lot of other items, but I realized that if we want to go for a healthy iftari, we can keep a fruit salad and keema, which is again very nutritious, and a paratha if it's made in a nutritious way. And a paratha not necessarily does not have to be unhealthy. It can be made in a healthy way also. So I realized that it's a full meal, a full iftari meal, which does not require a post iftari dinner or anything else. Overall, I think it's the keema paratha that took my attention, along with the way you decorated the whole platter. It looked so beautiful and so royal. The way you covered each and every step of your cooking process, the way you recorded it, you followed everything, all the steps that were mentioned by Mehwish for this iftar platter competition. So congratulations, Rafia. It's a well-deserved win. You deserve to win the first position, and that's why we are here announcing you as the winner. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो राफिया, फ़ायज़ा, सना, अतीका और बाकी सबको भी बहुत मुबारक हो, because you participated. We had to choose the 3 winners. That does not make your platter bad or underrated in any ways. Maybe 0.5 marks से ही सब ऊपर नीचे हुए हैं, but we have the 3 winners, the 4 winners here. Once again, congratulations to all of you, and I would like to say special thanks to Mehwish Jawad for giving me this opportunity to judge her iftar platter competition. I hope I have been fair, and I wish all of you all the best for the future competitions. You ladies are amazing and you've done a great job. Mubarak ho aap logon ko sabko ek baar phir. Allah Hafiz.